I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello bakers. Making macarons can seem daunting, but with the right steps, you'll create beautiful, delicate treats. First, precision is key. Always weigh your ingredients, especially the 100 grams of egg whites, 130 grams of powdered sugar, and 140 grams of almond flour. Sifting your dry ingredients 2 or 3 times ensures a smooth shell. Also, aging your egg whites for a few days in the fridge helps reduce moisture, leading to a more stable meringue. Remember to bring them to room temperature before starting. Next, let's master the meringue and macaronage. Begin by whipping your room temperature egg whites until they are frothy, then slowly add your granulated sugar, beating until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. If you're adding color, incorporate gel food coloring at the soft peak stage. Now for macaronage. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the meringue. The goal is a lava-like consistency, where the batter flows off your spatula in a thick ribbon and can form a figure 8 without breaking. This usually takes about 50 folds. Once your batter is ready, it's time to pipe and rest. Use a piping bag with a round tip to create 1-inch dollops onto baking sheets lined with silicone mats or parchment paper. After piping, firmly tap the baking sheets on your counter about 6 inches high, several times. This crucial step helps release any trapped air bubbles, preventing cracked shells. Then, let your piped macarons rest at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes, or until a dry skin forms. They should not feel sticky to the touch. Finally, we bake and fill. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the macarons for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating the baking sheet halfway through for even heat distribution. You'll know they are done when the shells don't wobble. Allow them to cool completely on the baking sheet for at least 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Once fully cooled, match them into pairs and pipe your desired filling, like a delicious French buttercream, to create your perfect macaron sandwiches. Enjoy your beautiful homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.